Some pupils in Taraba State were seen taking their West African Examination Council WAEC exam at night. As of the time of filing the report, no official reason was given by the WAEC as to why it delayed the examination, which was scheduled to hold at 8 a.m. Parents who came in search of their words only to be told that they were taking the supposed English language exam described the act as uncalled for and demanded an apology from the examination body. They said that WAEC should have postponed the exam instead of subjecting the children to hardship, especially since they would take another subject the next day.
I'm not happy at all because this is not a do or die affair. We still have tomorrow. If the exam cannot work today, why not shift it to tomorrow? But my children has been here from morning. She came to this school by 7 a.m. and what is the time now? This is p.m. night. And compared to the insecurity of this nation, keeping children till night is not the best. So I don't know what Nigeria will be doing about this, so that such things should not repeat itself again. Look at what we are facing now. And up to now, they are still on this exam hall writing. How can we transport ourselves back home? I came under the rain to look for my child. It's not proper. Right from when I've been in primary school down to secondary to university, I've never experienced this. Why are children suffering this? I consider this as also a child abuse to the children. It's not the best.
So this is very, very uncalled for. These children has been here since in the morning. Up to this hour, these children are still here. What have they done to deserve all this? Our children need better than this. Our children cannot be suffering because of exam, and just because of exam they are suffering this kind of suffering. Why can't they leave the exam till?
According to them, such had never been experienced in the state. They appeal to the federal government to punish those responsible for the act and curtail such from repeating itself. We'll continue to supply you more news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.